Hey everyone, I'm Clara and I work at Google. Now, when I'm creating proposals and I need to get buy in from different people at work, I need to be prepared for their questions. There is nothing worse than presenting an idea you're really fired up about only to get a question you're not prepared for, and it just totally kills the momentum. So, let's look at how we can use Gemini to help pressure test those presentations and be prepared for any questions that might arise. Let's say I work for a logistics company and I'm preparing for an important meeting. First, I'll upload my one-page proposal to Gemini. I can do this by clicking the plus button and adding my document from Drive. Next, I can prompt Gemini for feedback. I'll start with the context. I'm working on a proposal for a new GPS system for our logistics company. To help anticipate my stakeholders' feedback, I'll give Gemini a specific persona. Act as the approver, or head of operations, and review the one-pager attached. From your perspective, is there any information missing? Gemini uses advanced reasoning to generate its responses. You can see it thinking here. Okay, I have a rough idea, but I wonder if it's detailed enough. Let's ask for some more advice. For implementation and cost, I was thinking of using $3,000 of the proposed 25K budget for a 2-month pilot program. Would that be enough detail for the one pager, or would you want more? Gemini is recommending that I add more specifics around scope and success metrics. We can add it ourselves, or we could ask Gemini to help with those details by telling it, the pilot will include 15 vehicles, and the success metrics would be a 5% reduction in delivery time. How would you write a 2-sentence summary of this plan for the one pager? Great. Here's a concise summary I can edit as needed and pull into my one pager. In this example, we just gave Gemini one persona, but if you want to pressure test your work from different perspectives, you can add new personas to get more perspectives. If you're not sure what different stakeholder feedback you need, ask Gemini for advice. I certainly do. And I wish I had recently. For instance, I was presenting a launch plan to various stakeholders and I was asked what markets the particular feature would be launching in, and I wasn't prepared for that answer. Had I gone through this process and let Gemini know that I would be presenting to cross-functional stakeholders from regional markets, I probably would have been better prepared for that question. So when was the last time you were surprised by feedback? Could you uncover any blind spots before you share your next big idea?